understanding English? Did you sleep well last night? Well, you may wonder why I begin the class with this particular question. Yes, today we are going to learn some new words and expressions that you can use to replace the very common word sleep. You know, sleep is very important. A good sleep is essential for the well-being of a person. Let us learn some new words or new expressions that you can use instead of sleep. This is the first expression I have for you. People may ask you, when do you go to bed? And you may answer, I go to bed at 10 o'clock. Instead of using this normal expression, let's learn a new word or new expression. You can say, hit the bed, hit the sack, or hit the hay. So instead of saying, I go to bed at 10 o'clock, you can say, I hit the sack at 10 o'clock. I hit the hay at 10 o'clock. You can also say, I hit the bed at 10 o'clock. Now, there are different kinds of sleep. Light sleep, sound sleep, heavy sleep. All these are different kinds of sleep. Let's learn some words that can be used for this common word sleep. The first one, D-O-Z-E, douse. What do you mean by douse? A short sleep, especially during the daytime. You can also use nap, N-A-P, nap. And you have another very similar word, cat nap, meaning sleep like a cat. So you can say, the little girl's cat napped sitting on the couch. Normally, cat nap refers to sleeping, not on bed, maybe on a chair or a table, etc. The next new word is this, slumber. S-L-U-M-B-E-R, slumber. Slumber means a deep sleep. So you can say, the travelers were very tired. They fell into a slumber, meaning they fell into a deep sleep. Here is the next word for you, drowse. D-R-O-W-S-E, drowse. What do you mean by this word? It means to take a half sleep, meaning to be half asleep. Sleep intermittently. Sometimes when you take some medicines, you may become drowsy. So you fall into a state of drowse. That is feeling half asleep. Here is the next word for you. It is siesta. Siesta is a Spanish word. We know that we use many words from the other languages in English language, and that adds beauty to the language. One such word is siesta. What do you mean by siesta? Siesta is a short afternoon nap, which is normally taken in the early hours of afternoon, immediately after your midday meal, immediately after your lunch. So you can say, the stranger entered the house when the inmates were taking a siesta. Here is the next expression that you can use, to have 40 wings. To take 40 wings. It means to take or to sleep for a short period of time during the daytime, not on bed. So you can say, the watchman took 40 wings sitting on his chair. Here is the next expression. Sometimes you don't get sleep at all. And then you say, I did not sleep at all. How can you say this in an advanced way? You can say, I did not have a wink of sleep last night. Normally, this expression we use in negative sentences. To have a wink of sleep, we use in negative sentences. So we say, I did not have a wink of sleep last night. Meaning, I did not have even a bit of sleep. I did not sleep at all. Now, here is an expression that you can use to describe people who are heavy sleepers. There are two kinds of sleepers, light sleepers and heavy sleepers. Or you can also say sound sleepers. One who sleeps, without even having any interruption. Even if you go and shout and yell near them, they will not get up. they are sound sleepers. So you have some expressions like sleep like a rock, sleep like a log, L-O-G, sleep like a baby. So when you say, I slept like a baby the last night, you mean you had a very, very sound sleep. I believe you found this session very useful and you are going to use all these words and expressions that I gave you today in your daily conversation, and you are going to make your conversation very amazing. If you found this session useful, please do click the like button, and if you are not a subscriber, please do subscribe. Thank you for watching. Take care. Bye-bye.